Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for garden enthusiasts. The Evoio Blueberry Bush Tomato Fruit Tree Garden Plant Protector Netting Covers. If you're tired of birds nibbling away at your precious blueberries and fruits, this might just be the ultimate solution for you. The Evoio netting covers are designed to protect your fruit trees, blueberry bushes, and other plants from pesky birds and insects. Available in various sizes, we're looking at the 4 feet by 5 feet option today. Let's demonstrate how easy it is to use this netting. First, unzip the side with the long metal zipper. Then, drape it over your plant, ensuring it covers all sides. Finally, secure it in place with the drawstring at the base. Voila! Your plants are now protected from birds while still receiving the sunlight and air they need. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best protection from birds for your blueberries and fruit trees, the Evoio Blueberry Bush Tomato Fruit Tree Garden Plant Protector Netting Covers are a fantastic choice. They're durable, easy to use, and highly effective. Plus, at a price point that won't break the bank, it's a worthwhile investment for any gardener. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on gardening essentials. Also, let us know in the comments if you've tried similar products or have any questions about this one. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!